Let's dive into creating items. The items you create here are the questions that will make up your tests. Hover over Content Management and click on Manage Item. You will notice folders on the left-hand side of the screen. It's very important to know that you need to click on the folder where you would like to create the item first. Once you're in the correct folder, click Add to start the process of creating your item or question. Remember, the item will be added to whatever folder you're in when you click Add. If you've made items before in that folder, they will display here on the right. Here you see all the different item types or questions you can create. Each of these will have its own instructional video, but for now we're focusing on the process of creating an item, so we will use true and false. You will see several required fields that are marked with a red asterisk. The first of these are item code and item label. This is where you will give your item a name so that it's easy to find in your folders. The important difference between item code and item label is that multiple questions can share the same item label, but each question must have its own unique item code. The item stem is where you will give instructions and ask the question. Choice details is where you will assign points for each possible response. For this example, let us give 5 points for a correct response and 0 points for an incorrect response. For every item or question that you create, you can also specify its complexity and classification according to Bloom's taxonomy. This will be used when creating tests from Blueprint. This is a very useful tool and is discussed in more detail in the test creation video. There are no more required fields, but you can add hints and other customizations if you wish. Click Save, and if there are no errors on the page, you will be brought back to the Manage Item screen in the folder where the item was added. This green bar across the top shows you everything worked properly.